Welcome to Vico Constructor 2008 6th tutorial. I am engineer Muhammad Qasim Shinwari to teach you in this tutorial. In this tutorial we will be placing, or you can say inserting, ventilators above the doors. Make sure that window tool is selected in toolbox. Click on the settings dialog. Come to the very last IFC underscore common, select IFC simple window. Come to the preview options, parameters. Okay, in parameters we are having two types of doors. One having 2.1 is one was I think 2.5 feet. Yes, 2.5 feet, and other was 3.5 feet. So what I am going to do is to give it as 3.5 feet, and how much height? 2.5 feet height, and 7 feet, as door was 7 feet in height. And save the current settings as ventilator dash above dash 3.5 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 3.5. Okay, now we have to define another, which will be 2.5 and 2.5, and that will be 7 feet. Name it as ventilator dash above ventilator above dash 2.5 cross 2.5. Okay, 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 okay. Now for example, taking this door, if you press M, and using the tracker, if I measure its width, which is 3.5 feet, so what I do, I select window, and then in favorites I select ventilator above 2.5 into 3.5, and then select this as your first point, come downward and then inward. Let us see this in 3D window. In mark you select this, press F5, fit in window. So you can see we are having such kind of arrangement. We have door, and above it we are having ventilator. To come to the plan view, press escape. Let's continue our job. For this specific case we will define another favorite. So what should I do? Double click our window and select the simple window. In parameters select the length as 4.5 feet, and that 2.57 feet. Okay, and name it as ventilator above dash 2.5 cross 4.5. Okay, okay, okay. Now the window tool still selected. Come to the window ventilator above 2.5 into 4.5. Select the zoom in, then select the first point, come downwards and then select outward. So you will have this type of situation. Let us see in 3D fit window. So you can see it is fit. It's inward and it's outward. You can see that inward is dim and outward is not bright, means brightness is high. You can set these brightness etc in view, 3D view, 3D projection settings. Then you can set the camera and sun by selecting, for example, I select more sun, fog off, and etc ambient light, which increases the brightness etc. You can add more suns and have fantastic views. So do it yourself. Press F2, press escape. Okay, now coming to this, what we are having, window, ventilator, and this ventilator. Which ventilator we will be having in this case? Ventilator above 2.5 into 3.5. Select first point, then drag towards right and then downward. We will carry on our process. In this case we have to select ventilator above 2.5 into 4.5, zoom in, select first point, then second point and invert third point. And this, for this, select the ventilator above 2.5 into 3.5. In bathrooms we need no ventilators above the doors. Make sure that ventilator above 2.5 cross 3.5 is selected. So in this way you can easily add. Zoom out to see the results when this is remaining. Now all the doors are having ventilators also. We did not apply it in this case. It should be 2.5 into 4.5 favorite. Double click over it and after that click here. Press Ctrl S. Okay, now our 2D plane is approximately ready. Let me save this by in view map by name of 2D plane dash 02. 2D plane dash 02. Create. So we have now two views. You can see this one view and this is the second view. You can explore more options yourself. As I don't need it, So delete this and come to this project view. One thing, if you see, I haven't provided ventilator for bathroom, and it can't be provided here easily. So in our case, don't provide. Our 2D plan is ready. We will continue adding some text etc. in our next tutorial. So this is the end of our 6th tutorial. See you in next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.